Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Cooking with VietMom. My name is Sin, and today I want to show you guys how to use a rice cooker. Inside rice cooker we have a cup, and the cup they have two sides measure, but one side I don't really understand, but another side we have 1/4, 1.5, 3/4. And then outside the cooker, rice cooker, we have a number. So today I will cook 3 cups of rice, and I show you guys how to measure the water with 3 cups of rice. And this rice cooker really good because you can use any kind of rice, and you can easily find a local store where you live. So today I go with jasmine rice because my family really love it. So, and I want to let you guys know, when you guys fill 1 cup of rice, I weigh and come out 150 grams. So maybe just 1 cup, fill it up. 2, 3, you guys see, when I fill 3 cups of rice, just lie up on right here on the number 1 in the rice cooker. So we ring to the sink. I will ring it up. You guys see, ring it up couple times. Try to take up all the water up, and then now we measure the water. Take it up on the water so you can see it. And now usually I cook 3 cups rice. I fill on the water, fill up the line number 3. So let me see how many cups of water we will fill it up for number 3. 1, 2, 3. Basically 3 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. So the water inside will fill up on the number 3 line with the rice cooker. And then I will show you, this rice cooker should have rice cooking and keep warm. When we put the rice inside the rice cooker, we just put down and cook. About 20 minutes, we will come back. Tôi trở lại. We are back. Rice already done. Now the kitchen keep warm. So you guys can look inside. How beautiful is it? And then you guys can use the chopstick or spatula to mix the rice. And you can mix the rice after make the rice, you guys will see the rice like fluffy and look beautiful, not mushy. Okay, and I have two options. One, you guys can put some butter, make the rice taste really good. And another one, you guys can put oil, vegetable oil, and I use just one teaspoon of butter to put inside. And you guys just mix. When the butter melts, this rice with the butter tastes really good. If you guys never try before. This have the rice more like soft and sweet and tasty. Okay. Nah, honey. So let me take some out of the bowl so you guys can see how the rice looks. Soft and lucky.